Welcome to another Montessori video. My name is Rosie and today we're going to be making an activity for a holiday coming up, Shavuos.
Hi Montessori friends, welcome to another Montessoribox video. Today we're going to be doing a really cool take on the practical life activity flower arranging, and we're actually going to be doing it for an upcoming Jewish holiday called Shavuot or Shavuos. And this holiday is the commemoration of the giving of the 10 Commandments on Mount Sinai. Now, if you don't happen to celebrate Shavuos, that's fine. You can still do this activity as an extension to regular flower arranging, or if you belong to a different faith which still holds the revelation of the 10 Commandments on Mount Sinai as part of its biblical text, this could be a great activity for you. So let's jump right in and show you what materials you need to get going.
This is all you need: a selection of real or silk flowers. I got these from the Dollar Tree. A styrofoam cone, also from the Dollar Tree, wire cutters, craft scissors, tweezers, and if you want to do this as a Mount Sinai activity, I have a clip art of Moses carrying the 10 Commandments, and I also have a clip art of the Torah.
The first thing we have to do is remove the flower from the bunch. We want to leave as much of the stem as possible, so you're going to take your wire cutters and you're going to cut the flower off of the stem as low as you can. Now once you've done that, the next part we have to do is we have to remove the wire that is inside each silk flower. We're going to use our tweezers to do that. We want our kids to be able to cut and size these stems, and if the wire's in there, then they're not going to be able to cut them with regular scissors. Now a little bit of background if you're going to be using this as a Shavuos activity. The flower cone is going to represent Mount Sinai, or Har Sinai in Hebrew, and on the day that the 10 Commandments were given to the children of Israel, God decorated the whole Mount Sinai with flowers to make it extra beautiful. So what your child is going to get to do is actually decorate their own Har Sinai with flowers for the giving of the 10 Commandments. And I went ahead and cut out the clip art. I have my little clip art Moses, or Moshe Rabbeinu in Hebrew, and I just taped a toothpick to the back so that when your child is all done decorating Har Sinai with flowers, they can go ahead and stick Moses right in the top. So you're going to have your child measure how far out they want that flower to be on the mountain, and then they can use their scissors to cut the stem where they want it. So let's go see what my kids think. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this activity as much as we did. If you liked what you saw, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please click that bell icon so you get a notification whenever we post new videos. Follow us on Facebook at Montessoribox for all the newest updates and activities we're coming up with every day. I can't wait to post more videos like this for you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks again.
Bye. See you on the next one.